We're here at the South Tower. Here at, what building this is again? Ooh, oh my gosh, look at this. KONE Polaris.
Give floor number. Elevator A to floor 1.
That,
If you need to go to the 16th floor,
Yeah.
you need to go. I don't think this was higher than 16.
I think it, look at that. Found another KONE Polaris. Okay, here we one. Let's look to the right, actually. Yes, there's one for 16. That's the name of the building there. This is 2 Leadership Square.
See if we go up, we can go across that skyway. Right?
Yeah. Let's go up and the bank and let's go up. That's my second KONE Polaris, boy. We found one in Kansas City. Now look, I found another KONE Polaris. Hey. I can enter over here. Watch this. I'm going to type in 15.
Give floor number. Elevator C to floor 16.
10 and 15.
Over 10s.
Okay.
Not sure how that thing's supposed to work, so.
I think those will get us there.
Whoa.
Tenth floor.
10.
Elevator C. Going up.
Says elevator C going up. Here we go.
Fifteenth floor.
15. So get out here, boy. See, look.
Elevator C. Going down.
Interesting. Let's call it. Nice cab. Yep, the original Montgomery.
It's got everything charged. Oh,
It's hydraulic.
are you serious? All the way up here?
Yeah. See? Just a basic elevator, not much fancy. I love KONE. Watch this, boy.
Give floor number.
Let's go down there too.
Elevator C to floor 2.
Huh.
Give floor number. Elevator C to floor 1. Give floor number.
Elevator C. Going down.
That floor does not exist.
Elevator C. Going down.
Let's go into 2.
Yeah. You can see, KONE loves to put that thing on the side. Kind of surprised that I found another KONE Polaris.
Second floor.
I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of the
Going down.
I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of the control panel right here. There goes the elevator. And I guess that's gonna be it.